Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this fishing reel, Divmystery. And let's see here. All right, comes in this nice little box. And we have a little instruction manual there. This comes in either this orange color or black. That's a sick looking little reel there. Check that out. Wow, that's like super quiet. I can't even really hear it. That is nice. And then this little, the handle folds in too, so it's a little bit more compact. Seems like it's made out of nylon. I like the drag on there. You can adjust it with the clicks. That's nice. That clicks over nicely. I like that. Super smooth though. Let's see here. So this one you got to kind of hold out. So this is reversible as well. If I want to put this handle on the other side, just simply unscrew this on this side, put the handle over there and screw it in. So that's pretty cool that is reversible whether you're a lefty or a righty. Man, that is super silent. So I'm going to put this on my reel, and then also, let's see, where's that switch over? And we'll check it out. Go take it to the river here. But all in all, first impressions, this seems pretty sweet. I like the color too this comes on. Let's go take it to the river and test it out. I like how the drag here adjusts really easy too. So with the clicks there, and you can see how easy it is to pull out, and then just click, click, click over, and you can tighten the drag there to make sure you don't, like, a fish doesn't get away and doesn't just break your line also. So this also switches over if you just want to let that spin. It disengages that if you want to. And now we can click our bail over. Just hold this and flip that over, and that'll click nicely. So we're just going to go ahead and cast this out here and show you how it works. Alright, so that was actually really smooth, and just reeling it in here, it's nice and smooth. No sound, easy to do. I'll see if I can't just cast this out as far as I possibly can here. That was only about half my reel there. But there's no catching parts on here where the line's gonna stick on there and get caught or whatever. So here we go. I'm just gonna cast this out as far as I possibly can. And then just clicks over. Works really nice there. Super smooth. It just reels in real easy too. So all in all, my friends, it's like a really decent reel. Like didn't have any issues with it at all as far as the bail clicking over, and everything seems to work real nice. Once this is engaged, this isn't going to spin backwards or anything like that. Oh, whoa, 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 oh, hey. Got one. Got the tide pulling it out there. Well, yeah, so thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.